Hello, my name is Jeremy Baker Jacob Vasquez. My D number is 2021-0811. I belong to Group 4 of Level 7 of 9. I am in my third semester in the multimedia career. This assignment which writing for is making a video. Is about making a video that explains the argument for against uh, how how help how to help our parents set the table for the Christmas dinner. In the paragraph one, uh, the paragraph one, it's the introduction. It is true that helping our parents or guardians to organize the table at Christmas dinner is quite a stressful task, and parents can make demands if visitors come and not only with the table but with the task of the home. In the paragraph 2, the arguments in favor. It is true that our parents need help with Christmas dinner, especially our mothers, because they can be a bit heavy, and it is our duty as children to at least provide our support in the task. In the paragraph 3, continue the arguments in favor. Uh, Also put another way, we must be aware that we should contribute more to our own, which is not difficult. The paragraph 4 is the arguments against. Otherwise, it is also true that when we grow up, help at home becomes somewhat tedious, and when we talk about Christmas dinner, we forget about it. Also, when we are older, we contribute economically, so I think it is not so necessary that we should help with those things. In the paragraph number 5 is conclusion. In conclusion, I can say that we must help our parents not only to set the table, but also with, with the housework because it is our obligation as children to help our parents while we live in the same house. Uh, Finish. Thank you for attention. See you later, guys.